Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. This spaghetti with chicken meatballs is inspired from its Italian version, but I will make it in Indian style using the spices which we use in our daily lives. The spaghetti done this way is delectable and scrumptious. The meatballs are juicy, tender, as well as flavorful. So let us start with the preparation of the meatballs. Slicing a big sized onion at first and mincing 4 cloves of garlic. Adding the minced garlic first. Usually olive oil is used in this kind of recipes, but I am using the regular mustard oil. After that, adding the sliced onions. Instead of using the onions in its raw form, if we can just brown it a bit and make it crunchy, it will increase the flavor of the meatballs. First cut the edges of the bread slices and then make 4 divisions out of it. I have taken 250 grams of minced chicken. In that added oregano, turmeric powder, red chili powder for spiciness. After that, coriander powder, black pepper and garam masala. The fried onions. Adjust salt according to your preference. Now take 1 egg. I will not be using the whole egg at this moment. We'll reserve some for later use. Add the bread pieces now and then with a fork just mix all the ingredients together. Alternatively, breadcrumbs can also be used for this process. Adding some grated cheese cubes. The meat mixture seems slightly dry, so adding the rest of the egg. So it is done. Now we will make balls with the mixture. Make round shapes with your palm. Now add all-purpose flour to the ball. Just use your other hand to avoid messiness. Combine it well with the meatball so that it absorbs the excess moisture. Make the other meatballs in the similar way. I have made 6 balls for present use. With 250 grams of chicken, around 15 balls can be made. In a vessel, pour water to boil the spaghetti. Sprinkle some salt in the water. I am using the spaghetti from Del Monte, which is made out of wheat and semolina. Taking out the sticks of spaghetti from the packet, and then we need to just bundle up together They should be given as a whole and not broken. Slide the spaghetti gradually inside the water. You can see that the whole spaghetti is now immersed inside the water. I have boiled it for around 9 to 10 minutes. The water content has reduced considerably. Now we'll strain it using a sieve. I will shallow fry the balls in oil. Frying the meatballs in medium heat. They will take some time to cook as the meat inside it is raw and we need to cook it properly, so that we do not get any foul smell later. When one side is nicely browned, turn it and let the other side fry. Take out the meatballs when they are fried. Let's start the preparation of the sauce. We'll fry the rest of the onions and garlic. Here I have taken 250 ml of tomato puree. I have taken 4 large-sized tomatoes for this purpose. Add salt mindfully as there is salt in the meatballs too. Then adding oregano and chopped basil leaves. Adding some amount of fresh cream. Now we will put the balls in the sauce to let it get cooked. As the sauce will enter the meatballs, it will turn juicy and tender. Finally, pouring the spaghetti. Give all of them a good mix. Mix them together till all the sauce gets incorporated. Our spaghetti with meatballs is ready. I will be serving the spaghetti in the plate which I have shown you in my previous video. I will put the purchase links of this plate in my description box. So if you want to acquire this Black Beauty, then please refer to it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.